The Ford F-150 is basically the Swiss Army knife of pickups. You buy one, and immediately it's like, how many things can I bolt onto this? There's a cottage industry just dedicated to making your F-150 more yours. 80% of owners upgrade something in the first year. The number one gripe I hear is about the stock headlights. I don't know why, but manufacturers always give us the bare minimum here. Upgrade to LED or even HID kits, and suddenly, night driving goes from squinting at every deer to practically daylight. Suspension is next up. Stock rides are fine, but anybody who's ever hit a deep pothole in Portland in February knows you need something stiffer or taller. Leveling kits or a mild lift can radically change how confident you feel driving, and cost under $1,000 sometimes. Let's talk wheels and tires. The F-150 rolled out of the factory with something like, let's be honest, dad rims. Swap for a set of 18 or 20-inch alloys and beefier AT tires, and suddenly you're in charge of the road. About 60% of owners say tires transform the truck the most. Tonneau covers get overlooked, but they solve two headaches: security and gas mileage. Lock your tools up, don't lose gear to Portland rain, and you could see a 5 to 10% boost in mileage just from less drag. It's the practical guy's first move. Intake and exhaust upgrades are basically the espresso shot for your engine. Cold air intakes and a good catback exhaust won't make your F-150 a race truck, but seeing even a 10 HP jump and a satisfying rumble is underrated. Most folks report the truck finally feels alive. The next thing, infotainment. Ford's factory system is good-ish, but you will always want more: Apple CarPlay, more camera, better sound. Aftermarket head units boost your tech experience exponentially, and some plug right in with no splicing needed. If you actually tow, get yourself an upgraded brake controller. Stock F-150 controllers can be finicky, especially on steep descents. Aftermarket controllers give you way more control and save your nerves. Plus, it's a safety issue you don't realize matters until it seriously matters. Be honest, you want steps or running boards. Climbing in and out is cool the first 3 times, then you gnash your teeth at Ford's 6-inch jump. Retractable boards hide away when not in use, and driveway curb appeal doubles. Friends and family thank you later. Bed lighting is one of those "why didn't I do this sooner" upgrades. Trying to find a socket in a dark truck bed at night is just pain. LED kits can be installed in an hour, and you're suddenly organizing tailgate parties like a pro. For anyone in wet climates, hello Portland, you definitely want all-weather floor liners. Stock mats can't keep up with soaked boots and muddy paws. Husky and WeatherTech liners cost $100 or so and will literally keep your carpet like new for years. Here's my last, slightly obsessive tip. Add a tailgate assist damper. Hear me out. One hand, coffee in the other, tailgate floats down gentle as a feather. These cost under $50, and if you use your bed a lot, it's the "I didn't know I needed this" moment.